Hi guys, so I want to show you how to select features from layers using the attribute table. First, let's remind ourselves that every vector layer and some of the other layers have attribute table. It's a table where each row represents a point on the map, and it has some textual and numerical data associated with that point. You can do many things with that, but what we want to do now is we want to select some of the rows. Now I want to select the places which are not capital from this layer, and you can see there's only one. So if I select this one, it's selected, it's yellow. And to deselect it, what I do is I press deselect here. But naturally I might have, like the other layer I have here, it's enormous number of rows. So I want to do it automatically, and the way I can do it, I have the column I want to select by and the specific value I want to select. So I press here, that's select features from by expression, and here I have the fields, the column in the attributes table, and as we saw, the one that interests me is the feature ECLA, which is this one, feature ECLA. You might see it the other way around, right, left, but it doesn't matter. So I want to select by this field, this column, and a nice thing I have here, I can push this button and get a list of the possible values, and I want the populated place, and now I select these features. You see it's selected, and also on the map it's selected, and that was our goal, and now it's achieved. So actually we are done. Bye.